Now you know that Power BI gets constant updates, but the cool thing about Power BI is that Microsoft lets the users already use so-called preview features. These are features which are not yet implemented into Power BI Desktop, but you can have a look at these if you want to already. To get access to these preview features, you have to go to File once again, and there to the Options and Settings, and here to Options. In here, in the Global Options, you have the Preview Features menu, this one right here. At the moment, you can see these are the features I'm using, the preview features I'm using. These features will be automatically ticked or unticked if you update to the latest Power BI Desktop version. So, depending on the version you're using, this might look different to you. But here you can always find the latest preview features, which you can then simply tick and confirm. And if you want to find out more about the specific feature, just click on to learn more. There you can find detailed explanations on how this preview feature works. Well, and that's it actually now. These are the sources I recommend to stay up to date in the Power BI world. With that, we are of course not done yet with this course. Therefore, let's continue to dive deeper into the world of Power BI in the next module.